turned politician, Vijay has announced his party Tamilaka Victory Kalagam's candidate for all 234 constituencies for the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections on Sunday. Vijay has also announced to contest 2 seats in his first election battle, namely Perambur in Chennai and Tiruchirappalli East in central Tamil Nadu. Addressing a meeting of party officials in Chennai, Vijay also announced candidates for the remaining 232 seats, including members of his core team. Vijay said that the election contest would take place between TVK and the alliance led by MK Stalin. He called the ruling DMK alliance a patch-up. Vijay said that he has fielded candidates who will stand with the people. He appealed to the Gen Z voters to vote in large numbers, support the party's whistle symbol and encourage their families to vote for TVK candidates. Vijay termed the election as a battle between generations. Vijay promised a drug-free Tamil Nadu while pitching a youth-based agenda and said that students from class 12 to PhD would be provided with collateral-free education loans of up to 20 lakh rupees. Vijay also announced the candidates for Puducherry. Meanwhile, the opposition AIADMK has maintained its majority in the Chennai District Assembly seats and is gearing up for a direct contest with the ruling DMK in 13 out of 16 seats. AIADMK chief Edappadi K. Palaniswamy on Sunday fielded former ministers, senior party leaders and women candidates in Chennai considered the DMK's stronghold. Former ministers of the party B. Valarmati and Gokul Indra will contest against sitting DMK MLA N. Elilan and party leader N. Chitrarasu from Thousand Light and Anna Nagar constituencies respectively. Porkodi, wife of slain BSP leader Armstrong, has been fielded from Tiruvika Nagar constituency, where she will take on DMK's KS Ravichandran. Senior party leaders P. Sandana Krishnan and Adi Rajaram will contest directly from Kolattur and Chepok Tiruvallikeni constituencies against Chief Minister MK Stalin and Deputy Chief Minister Udaynidhi Stalin respectively. Meanwhile, Chief Minister MK Stalin will begin the first phase of his election campaign from Tiruvarur on March 31st.